Damn, bro. What's up, amigos?
What's up?
All good, bro? Wow. So cool. We got gallery here. Look at this. Some art. That's what I was talking about a while ago. Good morning. How are you doing?
Good.
Good? My friends, so today we are going to a place which is called Hulugan Falls. But first we have to get Starbucks and get some money. So let's go. My dear friends, we are finally reach our destination. Do we need to pay here?
No.
No? Okay, good.
Oh, I think so, yeah.
No, we need to pay a little bit. Hello. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, hi.
Hi, you're going to Hulugan Falls?
Yes, yes,
So
we are.
you speak Tagalog, ma'am? Because she couldn't understand English very well. So
Okay.
you just translate to her. So here we give a guide, and the minimum of our guide is 500 pesos. Depends on you. So
Okay.
it's very good. So and we have a parking fee, and we have a registration fee. The parking fee is 50. The registration fee is 70 each. Okay, ma'am, sir? So this is your guide.
good.
You can call
Hello, guys.
Bell. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. Okay.
So, cheers we got. We're ready to go. So after you park your car over there, yeah, you need to take a tricycle. The road starts here. Yeah. How many minutes? 30 minutes. 30 minutes, yeah, to the reach Hulugan Falls. Okay, hey guys. How you doing? Repeat. Чё так Tagal? Come on, faster, you Tagal.
Oh, my friend.
Hello, how you doing? How you doing? Traffic. So nice here, getting hot, and at the same time you can feel the very fresh air here. Very nice. What's up, amigos?
What's up?
All good, bro? You, see you.
Be careful.
Thank you, brother. You too. Assist? Look like brother, блядь. Sure. Okay, fine. What's up? What's up, my friends? Why you here? You already done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's up, bro? Woo. Thank you, bro. You saved my life, bro. Guys, I can hear it already. Yeah, it's over there. It's over there. No, it's been faster than 30 minutes. More like 25 minutes. See this, my friends? Yeah. Yeah. And you can swim there even. Like over there. Yeah, this is pure adventure, my friend. Enough you. Hoppa. Damn, bro. Wow. Just wow. Wow. So cool, bro. Woohoo. So much water here. Wow. So cool. So refreshing, блядь. So nice water. Oh, you can. Yeah, but if you go there, can you hide there, you think?
Yeah.
Over there, you think? You wanna go? Let's try. People are shouting, блядь. Oh, here already less. Anywhere you sit here is gonna be like this. So maybe we need to go down there. Yeah, let's go there because so much water, you cannot chill here. You can. So let's go somewhere. So it's so much wind and all water goes here. Yeah, just on you. Amazing. So we better go down. But it's nice, it's refreshing here. Amazing, bled. I love it. So just like this, people here do picnic. Okay. Few hours here for chill, why not? With this amazing view to Hulugan Falls. Yeah, just wow. Looks so nice, so beautiful, this nature. Awesome. Yes, bless. I am the only foreigner today. Everyone from Philippines. So very important, no trash. So see, we got trash here, trash bag. Everybody throwing trash over there. Let's not harm the beautiful nature. Not here. Beautiful place. Hulugan Falls.
Hulugan Falls in Louisiana.
Louisiana, bless.
Laguna.
Louisiana, it's like from America.
Yeah.
In the US.
Yes. This is Louisiana.
But this is the real Louisiana, bro. Just look at this. Yay. So amazing. Amazing. The falls. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so next time we want to be like these guys. See, they brought rice, chicken, boiled eggs. But we're gonna be like them next time. Yeah, not gonna eat burgers. Burgers is not so good. Yeah. Yeah, well, better like this. You see? You prepare food at home, bring here and picnic.
Yes.
Beautiful. Thank you, folks. Goodbye, everyone. Bye. Yeah, now we're gonna climb. So what happened to you? Get tired a little bit? Yeah, guys, if you're coming here, you need to be physically well, physically fit for this. Because the road downstairs is easy, but the road upstairs, you go up. That's harder. So those who is not ready, for them that road is like ours. Yeah, so we are back to the car, and let's give few tips about the Hulugan Falls. So the tip number one, you need to bring your own chairs or some kind of blanket, plastic blanket where you can sit.
Yes.
Once you reach the falls. Yeah. Then second, you need to wear sport shoes. Yeah, because it's a very the road kind of might be slippery.
Yes, yes. It's
So-
better shoes, not slippers.
Yeah, so better something sport outfit.
Yes.
And don't be afraid to get wet or dirty, because it can be. Yeah.
That's true.
So bring some food with you
Yes, it's if you want to stay there longer. Yeah, so
You need
so
to
can
bring
eat
some
those
food, some snacks, little
and
bit.
drink water.
Yeah, and
Very
drink.
important.
Yeah, bring some water with you. Advice number 4: bring some change
Yes.
with you. Change clothes. You need to or shoes.
I don't have any change clothes.
Yeah,
so
or
like
you
this.
need to bring towel also, just in case.
Yes.
Yeah, and I think that's all.
If you want to swim as well, there are
Yeah.
people who want to swim. The water is cold.
Yeah, so you need to dry yourself after. guess where we are? We are again in Alabang.
Alabang.
Yes, this the city which is have a lot of nice food here, right? And we are going where? What's that place?
Ramen place.
Huh?
Ramen place.
Ramen place?
Yes, ramen kuruda.
Ramen kuruda. Nice. Hungry very much. Wow, what a nice hair. Guys, we got gallery here. Look at this, some art. Not bad. Listen, we need to go to Pinto Art Museum actually.
Yes.
Let's go there again. Yeah, damn. Guys, in the Philippines here in Manila, they have nice art here. They have museum like amazing. So next time we will go. Promise you, amigos. Kinda
Nice.
little BGC.
Yes.
Nice, блядь. People like sometimes, бля, nice. Nice. Nice, bro. Nice costume. We're going to walk over there, guys. Ramen kuruda. Nice. Yeah, look at the chairs even. Like in Japan. It's Japanese, yeah?
Yeah.
Ramen kuruda. Be careful with your kids. Yeah. So that's what I was talking about a while ago. You have this crazy nice set and it's only 560 pesos. Quality and the price just good. Yeah. So guys, suggesting you this place. It's only one place around?
No, there's a lot of places.
There's a lot of?
Yeah.
Okay. So one of them on Alabang and other just Google.
Yeah.
So welcome, you're welcome. And you're gonna eat. Bon appetit. Thank you. Let's go. Yes. It's like that was a nice dinner.
Yeah, I know. It's so nice.
Kuya J. Filipino food.
Most of the Filipino restaurants here are getting packed.
Packed. Yeah, no, of course. We are in the Philippines. Filipino food here is the main